interest is basically the amount or the extra amount you get or you pay on your principal amount. There are two types of interest: simple interest and compound interest. Let us first talk about simple interest. The definition for simple interest is it is a method used for calculating the loan or interest amount based solely on the principal. So there is no change in the amount you have to pay with the years coming by. Instead, there's only a fixed amount that you have to pay every year. The formula for simple interest is P into R into T upon 100, where P is the principal amount, R is the rate per annum, and T is the time in years. Now let's talk about compound interest. So the definition for compound interest is it is an interest that is calculated on the initial principal amount and the accumulated interest taken together. The formula for compound interest is simply we have to calculate the interest on principal amount plus accumulated interest. Or there's also this complicated formula. For the sake of this video, we are going to use an easier method to calculate compound interest, as this is more complicated. For example, we'll take the principal amount, time period and rate same for both the years. That is rupees 10,000, time period as 2 years and the rate as 10% per annum. So for simple interest, the interest we pay for the first year is rupees 10,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100, which is rupees 1,000. And for the second year, it's the same, rupees 10,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100, again rupees 1,000. So there is no change in the interest we pay every year. So the total interest we pay is rupees 2,000. It can also be calculated directly using the formula I told you at the start of the video. Now here we have compound interest. For the first year, we pay rupees 1,000 as our interest and we get a new principal amount, which is by adding this with our principal amount. That is, we add our interest with the principal amount to get 11,000 as our new principal amount. Then we'll calculate the interest on this new principal amount, that is 11,000 multiplied by 10 upon 100. So we'll get 1,100 as our interest. As you can see, there is a change in interest with every year. So the total interest we pay is rupees 2,100.